collecting precipitation data from this for my project.
I go to UA Huntsville also. I'm an Earth System Science major, and I'm working with Melanie on the water scarcity on Tobacco.
Hi, I'm Simon Lewis. I go to UA Huntsville, and I'm here with the Catholic Study Abroad program at ICLA.
I'm one of 8 students here in Panama City this summer for Catholic Study Abroad Summer 2011 program. We are studying climate change and sustainable development in Latin America. I'm personally working on a Santa Rosa sugar plantation, a 100-year-old sugar plantation, and how climate change is affecting the biomass of the sugar plants.
I'm Chris Yanni, and I go to the University of British Columbia. My major is in Earth and Environmental Science with a minor in Human Geography. I'm here in the Study Abroad program 2011 with Catholic through the University of Alabama, Huntsville, and my project is to study climate change and its effects on indigenous.
Tiffany Webb. I'm here with the Catholic Study Abroad program on climate change. I'm working on the sugarcane factory project, but right now we're visiting a place in Panama called Isla Iguana, and right now we're on the beach enjoying the scenery and the ocean, and it's lovely, and I very much enjoy it.
Ready. Hi, we're in Boquete on the waterfall trail at the Vine Tree, and we're currently swinging around like avatars in Tarzan.
Hey, hold on really tight!
Hi, we're currently at the Bacamono waterfall in Boquete in the province of Chiriquí. We've been hiking for about an hour and a half, but we took a quick break to swing like monkeys and Tarzan across the trees, and now everyone is up there in the 250-foot waterfall getting wet. I'm staying dry down here with my comrades, but
At Catholic, where we've been doing research this summer with a sugarcane producer in central Panama named Ingenio Santa Rosa, and we've been looking at implementing satellite imagery to help them better manage their crops. Here we have some Landsat imagery. You can see we have the overlay of the plots, so you can go in with this imagery and look at the variation between each plot area. This is for before harvesting, and you can also look at some later months where you can see after harvesting, and you can look at specific plot areas and see which have been harvested and the different vegetation health.
So using the same Landsat data that they just showed you, we can find the water and marsh areas in an image. Take band 5 and divide it by band 2. Classify it using ArcGIS, and you can get a image showing you where the different swamp areas are. And so you can overlay that with the crop information. And you can see here, next to shrimp farms, there's swampy areas in the crops here. You have to be careful. Sometimes you'll get clouds in your imagery and it'll show as swampland, and you can use ArcGIS to go in and edit them out, and it's shown here.
An important part of precision agriculture involves using satellite imagery. From this satellite imagery, we can derive different indices. For the purpose of this project at Ingenio Santa Rosa, we concentrated on NDVI, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. This index looks specifically at vegetation density and health. Looking at the density and health, you can see which plots are doing better and which plots are doing worse. On this map, you can see the areas in red have a higher NDVI and are most likely going to have a higher yield and are doing better. Through the growing season, you can track NDVI through the months just by comparing different fields and their NDVI.
2007 Catholic Study Abroad program. We're in transition between our 2 study sites, the Pueblo Nuevo village and the community of the Mahay Cordillera. Our project involves us looking at the effects of climate change, and in specifically La Purísima, flooding event during the December 2010. So as you can see, the slight drizzle out here is a little reflection of what we're looking at.